Just off the sun-drenched coast of Western Australia, nestled in the sparkling embrace of the Indian Ocean, lies Rottnest Island, known as Wajamup to the Whadjuk Noongar people. This island is more than just a destination, it's a living testament to ancient culture and natural wonder. For thousands of years, Wajamup has held deep spiritual significance for the Noongar people, serving as a sacred place of stories, ceremonies and connection to the land and sea. Every rock, tree and shoreline here echoes with the wisdom and traditions of its first custodians. Today, visitors are invited to slow down and immerse themselves in this tranquil sanctuary. The island's car-free roads encourage cycling and walking, letting you breathe in the fresh, salty air and listen to the gentle rustle of native bushland. Here, nature flourishes, and the stresses of the mainland seem to melt away. Rottnest's coastline is a breathtaking mosaic of secluded coves, dramatic limestone cliffs and tranquil bays. The ever-changing hues of blue in the surrounding waters create a mesmerizing kaleidoscope, inviting swimmers, snorkelers and dreamers alike to explore its hidden corners. The island's name, Rottnest, comes from a 17th century Dutch explorer who mistook its most famous residents, the Quokkas, for giant rats. In reality, these small, friendly marsupials are unique to the island and have become its most beloved ambassadors, charming visitors with their curious faces and playful antics. Today, Rottnest is protected as a Class A reserve, ensuring that its fragile ecosystems and rich heritage are fiercely safeguarded for future generations. Conservation efforts here are ongoing, preserving not only the island's rare wildlife, but also its unique plant life and cultural sites. Rottnest is a living museum, a place where history, culture and nature intertwine. Families, adventurers and nature lovers all find something extraordinary here. Whether it's exploring hidden trails, learning about ancient traditions, or simply soaking in the island's peaceful beauty. The story of Rottnest is one of resilience, beauty, and the enduring power of the natural world, a jewel in the Indian Ocean shining brighter with every passing generation. Rottnest Island feels worlds away thanks to its car-free tranquility and the gentle rhythm of bicycles. The island's unique environment allows native flora and fauna to thrive, from coastal heathlands to shimmering salt lakes and woodlands. Bird life abounds, ospreys nest on rocky outcrops while red-capped plovers dart along the shore. Conservation is at the heart of Rottnest, ensuring wildlife flourishes without mainland threats. The surrounding marine sanctuary teems with coral reefs, colourful fish, and seagrass meadows. Snorkeling here reveals a vibrant underwater world, mirroring the peace above. Every element, from insects to whales, plays a vital role in this holistic sanctuary. Rottnest is a living example of how humans and nature can coexist in harmony. At the heart of Rottnest Island lies a truly unique resident, the Quokka. These small, endearing marsupials have become the island's most famous inhabitants, drawing visitors from all over the world who are eager to catch a glimpse of their adorable faces. Rottnest Island, with its pristine beaches and tranquil woodlands, provides the perfect backdrop for these remarkable creatures to thrive. The quokka is instantly recognizable by its famously cheerful expression, which has earned it the reputation as the happiest animal on earth. With their round cheeks, bright eyes and perpetual smiles, quokkas have a way of making everyone who sees them feel a little bit happier. Tourists and locals alike are enchanted by the quokka's gentle demeanor. It's not uncommon to see people pausing in awe, snapping photos, or simply enjoying a quiet moment in the company of these charming animals. Their approachable nature and photogenic smiles have made them social media sensations, further boosting their popularity. Quokkas are naturally curious and surprisingly unafraid of humans, a trait that developed over centuries of living without natural predators on Rottnest. They can often be seen hopping through the underbrush, foraging for leaves, grasses and berries, or pausing to investigate new sights and smells. During the heat of the day, quokkas seek out cool, shady spots beneath the island's trees where they rest and conserve energy. Their relaxed lifestyle is a testament to the safety and abundance they enjoy here, far from the threats that have impacted their mainland relatives. While quokkas may seem friendly, it's important for visitors to remember that they are wild animals. Signs around the island remind everyone to observe from a respectful distance, never to touch or feed them. and to avoid disturbing their natural behaviors. These guidelines help ensure that quokkas remain healthy and wild for generations to come. Rangers and conservationists work tirelessly to educate the public about the importance of protecting quokkas and their habitat. Through guided walks and informative talks, visitors learn how their actions can make a difference in preserving this unique species. As the sun sets, quokkas become more active, emerging from their hiding places to explore and feed. Spotting a mother quokka with her joey nestled safely in her pouch is a truly magical experience, one that leaves a lasting impression on all who witness it. Rottnest Island serves as a vital sanctuary for quokkas, providing a safe haven where they can flourish. On the mainland, their populations have been devastated by habitat loss, introduced predators and environmental changes, making the island's role in their survival even more critical. Each smiling quokka is not just a symbol of joy, but also a testament to the power of conservation. Their continued presence on Rottnest Island reminds us of our responsibility to protect vulnerable species and the precious habitats they call home. The Quokka selfie has made Rottnest famous as visitors capture joyful moments with these smiling marsupials. More than a photo, it's a connection, an instant of shared happiness that transcends language and culture. Meeting a quokka brings pure delight, reminding us of the innocence and beauty in nature. Quokkas are resilient survivors, adapted to their island home and able to thrive in tough conditions. Their global popularity has boosted conservation awareness, turning visitors into ambassadors for Rottnest. The quokka's smile is an invitation to care, a call to protect the wild places they depend on. This simple connection inspires a broader passion for conservation. The quokka's story is one of joy, resilience, and hope. Beyond quokkas, Rottnest boasts over 60 beaches and 20 bays, each with dazzling white sand and turquoise waters. The basin offers safe swimming, while Little Salmon Bay and Parker Point are snorkelers' paradises. Exploring by bike reveals hidden coves and spectacular views at every turn. Surf breaks at Strickland Bay challenge adventurers, while remote beaches like West End offer wild solitude. These beaches are vital ecosystems, nesting grounds for shorebirds and resting places for migrants. Native grasses stabilize dunes, protecting the island's interior. Walking these shores is a privilege, and we must leave only footprints to keep them pristine. Rottnest's beaches are a reminder of nature's beauty and our responsibility to protect it. Rottnest's interior is a tapestry of walking and cycling trails, weaving through diverse habitats and cultural sites. The Wajamup BD trails reveal native pines, flowering tea trees, and the island's iconic salt lakes. Sometimes pink, always stunning. These lakes are havens for waterbirds like banded stilts and avocets, offering surreal landscapes for photographers. Birdwatchers delight in spotting ospreys, honeyeaters, and the vibrant 28 parrot. History is everywhere, from the Wajamup lighthouse to Webitu gun batteries, adding depth to the island's natural beauty. Exploring Rottnest is a journey through both space and time. Every trail tells a story, connecting past and present. The island's wonders invite discovery at every turn. Getting to Rottnest is easy. Regular ferries depart from Fremantle, Perth and Hillary's, with scenic ocean views along the way. Book tickets in advance, especially during peak times. Once there, hire a bike or hop on the Island Explorer bus to see the sights at your own pace. Pack light layers swimwear, reef-safe sunscreen, a hat, sunglasses and a reusable water bottle. Don't forget your camera for the perfect Quokka selfie. Summer is best for swimming, but spring and autumn offer pleasant weather and fewer crowds. Winter brings solitude and dramatic beauty. No matter the season, Rottnest promises unforgettable memories. Some of Rottnest's most cherished moments are quiet and unexpected. A mother quokka with her joey nestled safely in her pouch, hopping through the green undergrowth. These tender scenes are a testament to the island's nurturing environment, where wildlife thrives in harmony with nature. Or imagine a school of silverfish swirling gracefully around you while you snorkel in the crystal clear waters. The vibrant coral reefs teem with life, offering a mesmerizing underwater ballet that captivates the senses and leaves you in awe of the ocean's wonders. These encounters reveal the island's gentle rhythms and the deep bonds of nature. The serene landscapes, dotted with native wildlife, paint a picture of tranquility and balance, inviting you to slow down and appreciate the simple beauty around you. Quokkas are surprisingly adaptable, able to climb shrubs and survive on vegetation during drought. Their resilience is a remarkable aspect of their charm, showcasing their ability to thrive even in challenging conditions. They live in small family groups, sharing territory and looking out for one another. This sense of community is heartwarming as they interact playfully and support each other, embodying the spirit of togetherness. The true souvenirs of Rottnest are these emotional connections, a quokka's trusting gaze that seems to bridge the gap between human and animal, creating a moment of mutual curiosity and respect. A family's laughter on a bike ride echoing through the island's paths adds to the tapestry of joyful memories. These shared experiences strengthen bonds and create lasting impressions. And as the day ends, a fiery sunset over the ocean paints the sky with brilliant hues, a perfect finale to a day filled with wonder and discovery. These moments inspire a deeper love for our planet, reminding us of the importance of preserving such pristine environments for future generations to enjoy. Rottnest stories are about connection, wonder, and the beauty of the wild. They are tales of exploration and discovery, of friendships forged in the embrace of nature. They're memories you'll carry long after you leave, etched in your heart as a reminder of the island's magic and the timeless beauty of its natural wonders. Rottnest Island is a testament to what's possible when we choose to protect nature. Its smiling quokkas, pristine sands and clear waters are the result of decades of stewardship. As climate change and biodiversity loss threaten the world, places like Rottnest are beacons of hope. They remind us of what we stand to lose and what we can save. Visiting Rottnest builds a personal connection that fuels our desire to protect wild places. Let your journey here inspire you to become an advocate for nature, sharing your passion and stories. Our collective legacy is to explore, cherish, and protect the wonders of our planet.